finally time. So psyched. This is the best case scenario and I got it for a great deal. Cannot wait to be towing this car to the shop to get my Audi A4 running soon. This is exactly what I needed. This is best case scenario in Miami. 10 minutes from. So I used a broker for the IAI auction and look, they got Audis here, they got all these cars from the insurance companies. And I cannot wait. I'm so speechless, I don't even know what to do anymore. But for sure I have to sell this car. Alright, we're here and that's my car! No! Yeah! I'm so psyched. Finally. Finally. Let's go take a look at what I have. I finally bought a rare manual 2018 Audi A4 Quattro. This is the car right here. Hopefully the delivery didn't mess up the undercarriage of the car, but I'm so psyched. This is the car. Let's take a look at it quickly. I already have an engine, but this is a manual. I need it because manual transmission, the drivetrain. Wheels a bit beat up. Wheels are a little bit chewed up, but not so bad. This is the first time I've actually seen the car. First time, yeah. I bought it online. I had first time looking at it. And this headlight is still in good condition. Oh my god. No way. No way. Quattro. Alright, we're gonna tow it to where I work and we are going to show you what the car looks like from the inside. As far as I could see, the block still looks fine. The alternator's cracked right here. Oh boy, what did I get myself into? We're finally gonna start rebuilding my 2013 Audi A4. Maybe manual, but let's try DSG first. Talked about this. Oh my god, I'm a crazy mofo, that's what it is. Alright, I bought this from IAI auction and there was bidding. This is the third time it was on auction, but nobody has won it. So I said, screw it, I'll buy it out in full because this was a very hard find to find. It's Quattro, you know what that means. Let's open up the interior. This is nice. Oh, this is so nice. Like, I'm so speechless. I never thought. Look, it has the S-Line package. Look at that. And it's a manual. Ah! So this is the plan. Most people are gonna think, oh, I'm gonna go manual, I'm gonna go manual. The idea was to use this car for parts because if you look at it, this is a certificate of destruction. Unfortunately, I am not able to put this on the road. It's not road legal. Even if I fix it, the only use this car would have would be a road track car, my bad, a track only car, and or parts use, which is what I'm using it for. This is a donor car for my 2013 Audi A4 rebuild crazy 500 horsepower project. Oh, I don't even know. Okay, so basically this is a manual B9 Audi A4 2018 Audi A4 Quattro, and if the DSG doesn't work, if we cannot figure out how to get the DSG to work right, bypassing the immobilizer and all that other stuff, technical stuff I'm not sure of yet, then we can put a 6-speed manual and call it a day. And or with the horsepower I'm going to be pushing in my B8.5 A4, if it's too much for the DSG and I end up blowing up the DSG, the DL501 transmission, oh well, 6-speed manual swap it is. So this is like a plan B. and we won't know how everything's how all these parts are. We won't know how all these parts are until we open up the hood. But let's take a look at the interior. I got this nice steering wheel, flat bottom, S-line red stitching. I'm going to be using this for my Audi A4 because I actually just sold the original steering wheel I had originally intended to use. I don't know, I liked it, but I like leather. I don't like suede. After like feeling it, I'm like, no. I'm going to replace the headliner of my Audi A4 and put suede in it. This is awesome. Look at that. I get the full-on Audi virtual cockpit with the MMI radio, all that stuff, all the goodies. So if I open up here, I get a free water bottle. I get probably 20 cents in change in coins. I get some trash, and I get a golf accessory toy. Like, oh my god. Sport seats, I believe. How do you open this? There we go. This is freaking awesome. For the most important part, let's take a look at the engine bay. Oh no, I can't open it. This is so funny. Watch this. Just watch this. This is so weird. There we go. There we go. So close. Aha. There it is. Surprisingly, the hydraulics, these little thingies, they work. Huh. So let's take a look at what I have here. Stock air intake box. I have the stock turbo, which I will be using. I have the downpipe, everything. I have the whole entire, this car's completely stock. I'm so stoked right now. The only thing is, I don't know if the engine's cracked or anything from the accidents because it's missing the entire intercooler, condenser, and radiator, the left headlight. The coolant tank was pushed back, and I don't know if the car was run without any coolant during the accident. I hope the engine didn't overheat, because if it overheated, oh well. Another engine sitting in the garage right now, an EA 888 Gen 3 2.0 is in the garage, as well as a DL501. So if this is working fine, that's a big plus. And let's see what else parts I will be needing. I'm going to be needing the wiring harness. I'm going to be needing some interior modules and body wiring harnesses for my project car. And the rest of the car, I'm partying it out. You have no idea how much money is sitting in this car right now. So we got these wheels. Let's take a look. It's a bit badly damaged, but hopefully they're still repairable. I mean, I can still sell them. Like, these are the expensive ones too. And I got the red brake calipers. Oh my god. So I'm going to show you the damage right here. You can tell, like, it's a little bit crooked. I think that axle's a little bit bent, as well as the frame, as well as the engine mount. I don't know if it's affected or not, the engine mount. Oh, no! The engine mount looks like it's fine, doing its job, surprisingly. Look at the damage on this. It sucks that this is a certificate of destruction. Wow. This headlight looks fine. There's a little bit of condensation. Maybe we could fix that and sell that as well. But there's a lot of money sitting in this car. This wheel, I don't know what happened. It looks like the wheel chunk got pushed in. Hopefully I could at least inflate this tire. Put the spare tire in the back. Let me show you that in a second. And onto the back. Oh, oh, I can't believe that battery's dead. Oh. Oh. Alright, comes with the engine cover right here. We got some floor mats and the waterproof trunk mat. And let's take a look at that brand new spare tire I got. Dude, this car's in immaculate condition. I could sell the door, make a couple $1,000s out of all this. And I forgot to mention, it comes with a Bang & Olufsen speakers. What a deal. What a deal. Dude, the body is perfect. It's just the front. That sucks. Oh yeah, and it comes with side skirts, trunk spoiler. So all this looks factory, which means money, money, money. I'm gonna have a lot of money returned back to me. This other stuff, including the car itself, 8K. I'm gonna make my money back. Ugh. Some people might ask me, why didn't I just buy the parts separately? Because there's so many extra parts that it's just to be such a headache to buy them singular than buy the entire car. And that means if this engine's done for, who cares? I have another engine. I can sell this engine for parts, if anything. We got the IHI turbo. Dude, the turbo, I'm so happy. I could use this for my car to get the car running. Like, these are the parts to get my car running. Once the car is running, I'm gonna do a turbo upgrade on the car. I'm gonna do so much more things. It's not gonna be running 500 horsepower when I get it running, because this is a very, very expensive, crazy, stupid build that I'm building right here. Like, all of you guys are making my crazy vision, some people call me delusional, I don't care, possible. You guys are making all this possible. In all honesty, it's been a long time, years, since I've been happy. And seeing this kind of progress, I'm starting to feel happy again. Like, I'm really happy for this moment. Like, this is some good progress. 2 years of crazy stuff going on, hard work, tears, happiness, joy, sadness, anger, depression, happy, sad, everything. It's gonna pay off soon. We're in this together. Guys and girls, know what to do next. Hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more crazy content coming up. I cannot wait. Yes.